Hold on to your hats, Wendy Watchers, because the world of hip-hop is reeling from a bombshell scandal. The news has sent shockwaves through the industry, leaving fans and insiders alike in a state of disbelief. Our one-time friend, Sean Diddy Combs, is facing a mountain of legal trouble that could send him to prison for life. This isn't just a minor setback, it's a seismic event that could change the landscape of hip-hop forever. The music mogul is embroiled in a web of accusations including sexual assault, sex trafficking, and racketeering. These are not just any charges, they are serious allegations that could dismantle his empire and tarnish his legacy. It's a far cry from the glitz and glamour we're used to seeing from Diddy. The man who once epitomized success and luxury is now facing the fight of his life. This isn't just a minor hiccup, folks, it's a full-blown legal nightmare. The courtroom is a battleground and the stakes couldn't be higher. Diddy is staring down the barrel of a potential life sentence if he's convicted on these charges. The gravity of the situation is palpable and the tension is mounting with each passing day. The feds are throwing the book at him and honey, it ain't looking good. The prosecution is pulling no punches and the evidence is piling up. Stay tuned because we're about to break down this explosive story piece by piece. We'll delve into the intricate details of the case, examining every twist and turn. We'll dig into the shocking allegations, the courtroom drama, and what this means for Diddy's future. From the initial accusations to the ongoing trial, we'll cover it all. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single detail. This is a story that has captivated the nation, and we're here to bring you the latest updates as they unfold. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and get ready for a roller coaster ride through one of the most sensational legal battles in recent memory.
Get ready to be shocked because the accusations against Diddy are nothing short of jaw-dropping. Over 120 women have come forward with harrowing stories of abuse, claiming that Diddy used his power and influence to prey on them for decades. These aren't just whispers and rumors, these are serious allegations of sexual assault, drugging, and even involving minors. Attorney Tony Busby, who's no stranger to taking on high-profile cases, is representing the alleged victims. He's claiming to have a treasure trove of evidence, including photos, videos, and text messages that will blow this case wide open. If this evidence is as damning as Busby suggests, Diddy's in a world of hurt. The sheer number of accusers and the severity of their claims are sending shockwaves through the music industry. It's a stark reminder that behind the fame and fortune, darkness can lurk.
In a stunning turn of events, the judge has denied Diddy bail. This decision has sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry and beyond, as many were expecting a different outcome. That's right, the music mogul is cooling his heels in a Brooklyn jail cell as we speak. It's a stark contrast to his usual life of luxury and opulence, and fans are in disbelief. The judge didn't mince words, calling Diddy a potential danger to the community and a flight risk. This strong statement has raised eyebrows and sparked debates about the fairness of the judicial system. Even Diddy's offer of a whopping $50 million bail secured by his Miami mansion couldn't sway the judge. This mansion, known for its grandeur and luxury, was not enough to convince the court of his reliability. The prosecution argued that Diddy's wealth and connections make him a prime candidate to skip town and become a fugitive. They emphasized that his global influence and resources could easily facilitate an escape. They also pointed to the seriousness of the allegations against him, claiming he's the ringleader of a long-running criminal enterprise. These allegations are not just minor infractions but involve serious criminal activities that could have far-reaching consequences. Diddy's legal team is crying foul, claiming the judge's decision is unfair and that their client is eager to clear his name. They argue that Diddy has always been a law-abiding citizen and that the charges are baseless. They're planning to appeal, but with the judge's concerns about witness tampering and Diddy's deep pockets, his chances of freedom seem slim. The legal team is preparing for a tough battle ahead, knowing that the stakes are incredibly high. The public reaction has been mixed, with some supporting the judge's decision and others rallying behind Diddy. Social media is abuzz with opinions, and the case has become a hot topic of discussion. As the case unfolds, all eyes will be on the courtroom. The outcome could set a precedent for how high-profile cases are handled in the future. Will Diddy manage to clear his name, or will he remain behind bars? Only time will tell. For now, the music mogul's fate hangs in the balance and the world watches with bated breath. The legal drama is far from over, and the next few weeks will be crucial in determining the direction of this high-stakes case.
Hold on tight because there's another twist in this legal thriller. Diddy's case has been reassigned to a new judge, Arun Subramanian. This guy is known for being tough, thorough, and a stickler for the rules. Some say he's a fair judge, while others whisper that he's a real hanging judge. Only time will tell how this change will impact Diddy's fate. Subramanian's appointment adds another layer of unpredictability to this already high-stakes case. Both sides will need to adjust their strategies and figure out how to navigate this new legal landscape.
Section 5. Ex-girlfriend's lawsuit opens Pandora's box. Remember Diddy's ex-girlfriend, Cassandra Ventura? Well, she's at the center of this legal firestorm. Her lawsuit against Diddy, filed just before the floodgates of accusations opened, seems to have been the catalyst for this whole mess. While the details of Ventura's lawsuit are still under wraps, it's clear that it emboldened other alleged victims to come forward. It's like Ventura's lawsuit gave others the courage to break their silence and say, "Me too." Diddy's legal team is trying to downplay Ventura's lawsuit, calling it a shameless money grab. But honey, there's no denying the timing of it all. This case is a prime example of how one person's decision to speak out can inspire others to do the same. It's a testament to the power of finding your voice and holding powerful people accountable.
Section 6. From hip-hop icon to accused criminal Diddy's downfall, it's heartbreaking to see how far Diddy has fallen. He was once at the top of the world, a hip-hop legend, a savvy businessman, a fashion trendsetter. Now he's facing the very real possibility of spending the rest of his life behind bars. The contrast between his carefully crafted public persona and the horrific allegations against him is truly staggering. Diddy built his empire on charisma, talent, and a carefully curated image. He wanted the world to see him as a self-made success story, a devoted father, a philanthropist. But these accusations threaten to unravel it all. The court of public opinion can be brutal, and right now, Diddy's reputation is hanging by a thread. Even if he's found not guilty, these accusations will forever tarnish his legacy.
Section 7. Diddy speaks out. I'm innocent. This is a witch hunt. Diddy has been very vocal about his stance, making it clear that he believes the charges against him are completely unfounded. Diddy isn't going down without a fight. He has rallied a significant number of supporters who believe in his innocence and are standing by him through this tumultuous time. He's proclaiming his innocence from the rooftops, calling the accusations against him false and malicious. His public statements have been filled with passion and conviction, as he insists that he has been wrongfully accused. He's even going so far as to call this whole thing a witch hunt. Diddy has compared his situation to historical witch hunts, where innocent people were persecuted without just cause. His legal team is echoing his sentiments, aggressively challenging the credibility of the accusers and the evidence against him. They are leaving no stone unturned in their quest to prove his innocence. They're painting a picture of Diddy as a victim of his own success, targeted by opportunists looking to cash in on his fame and fortune. The narrative they are pushing is that Diddy is being unfairly targeted because of his high profile and wealth. They're pulling out all the stops to poke holes in the prosecution's case, looking for inconsistencies, contradictions, and anything that can cast doubt on the accusations. The defense team is meticulously going through every piece of evidence, searching for any flaws or weaknesses. Only time will tell if Diddy's claims of innocence will hold up in court. The legal battle is expected to be long and arduous, with both sides presenting compelling arguments. The jury will have to decide whether they believe the alleged victims or Diddy's version of events. The outcome of this case will hinge on the jury's interpretation of the evidence and testimonies presented during the trial. As the trial progresses, the public remains divided, with some firmly believing in Diddy's innocence and others convinced of his guilt. The media coverage has been intense, with every development being scrutinized and debated. Legal analysts have weighed in, offering their perspectives on the strengths and weaknesses of both the prosecution and defense. The case has sparked widespread discussion about the justice system and the treatment of high-profile individuals. Throughout it all, Diddy has remained steadfast, supported by his family and close friends. The emotional toll of the trial is evident, but he continues to maintain his innocence and fight for his reputation. The final verdict will have significant implications, not just for Diddy, but for the broader conversation about justice and accountability. As the world watches, the outcome of this trial will be a defining moment in Diddy's life and career.
Section 8. Life behind bars, Diddy faces the ultimate price. The stakes couldn't be higher for Diddy. If he's convicted on even some of these charges, he could be saying goodbye to his freedom, his fortune, and his legacy. We're talking about the very real possibility of a life sentence behind bars. This case is a stark reminder that no one is above the law, no matter how rich, famous, or powerful they may be. The justice system is supposed to be blind, and now it's Diddy's turn to face the music. We'll be watching closely as this case unfolds, bringing you all the latest developments and juicy details. Stay tuned because this roller coaster ride is far from over. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to stay updated on all the latest news.